Hey repair heads. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken Samsung Galaxy S4 active battery. A lot of people think that you have to replace the battery whenever it goes bad, but actually you can fix it. There's a really special way. It's the special way that Samsung doesn't want you to know about. Because companies want you to, what they really want you to do is buy another, just buy another battery, because that's another $30 in their pocket. But if you can fix it yourself, you can save money. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn over your Samsung Galaxy S4 Active by Samsung. You don't ever want to rush, because if you rush, you'll end up breaking something. And so you'll go into your designated cabinet for equipment, and you'll get your designated iFixit repair kit. And if you only have one hand, then do it the way that I'm doing. But if you have the freedom to use both of your hands, you can open this with two hands. Okay, and so you're going to have this, but you're not going to use it just yet. And you'll get into here, and you'll take out, this is a metal spudger, but I like to call it a Shinobi, because well, those of you who watch anime, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you don't, I'm sorry, you'll just have to pay for your sins. So you're gonna get it. There's a little groove right here, and you'll put your Shinobi in it just a little, and you'll pop it up like that. Some people like to use your fingers, but that's actually really dangerous. That's the number one cause of death amongst repair techs. And so you'll come along the side here, and you'll just slide it, pop it. So now you've got one side. So you're going to come around, you're going to slide it, and you're going to tilt it again, and you're going to slide it. There you go. Okay, and so it looks like the battery is, oh man, oh wow, look at that. Okay, this is a more common problem than you think. All you have to do is you have to straighten it out, and this is the repair technique that Samsung doesn't want you to know about. Okay, you straighten it out, and you touch all the little creases. Okay, good. And what you're gonna do is you're going to set down the camera. Hold on a second. You set it down right here. Okay. And then you're going to take this, and you're gonna flip it over, and now it's, when you're looking at the good side, you're gonna put it onto a hard surface. This is kind of a little bit squishy, and so you put it onto a hard surface like this one right here, and you'll flick it 3 times, because 3 is good luck in the Nordic tradition. And you're gonna put it back into the phone. You want to make sure the phone's right side up, though. And so you're going to put it in. And then put it back. Even though you don't want to take it off with your fingers, you can put it back on with your fingers, and that's okay. And now, voila. So there's a lot on the phone that's also broken, so it's not going to turn on, but the battery is as good as new. Okay, repair heads, thanks for tuning in. This is Ryan, Repair King 524. Next week I'll be doing a video on how to repair your broken marriage. Thanks. I think that someone's watching us. I feel it.